Edition, the Business File.
Welcome back to NTV News First Edition. This week in the Business File, Danielle heads to Academy Canada to try her hand at welding. Here's Made Right Here.
On this week's Made Right Here, we're visiting Academy Canada on Harding Road, and we're joining the welding program. Joining us is the instructor of the welding program, Mr. Terry Joyce, and tell us a bit about what happens in this program.
When we start this program, we start off in the classroom for the first few weeks to get our prerequisite courses done so we can get down in the shop and actually start doing our welding. While there's a 34-week program, we move on throughout that 34 weeks, getting ready for our final certification at the end of the year. We'll get our CWB tickets, and once that's done, the students are capable of working anywhere, but we got to have these tickets to be out there working in these processes.
So what are we going to get to see today? What am I going to get to weld?
What we're going to do today is going to use a stick welding, a 7018 rod. So it's one of the things that we're going to set up, and we're going to bead on a T-joint, and you're going to get to use a MIG gun and get to use your solid wire, and we'll do another T-joint there.
Awesome.
So right there we have Stephen Harding, one of our current students. He's going to be practicing and performing a fillet weld on our flat bar T-joint that we have set up here.
And that's the key to welding.
So what we're looking at here is a finished product of a T-joint that we've done, and what we look for is the ripples in our weld bead going along, and how even it is up on top and the bottom. We call that leg length. So we make sure that it's even and consistent the whole length of the project that we're doing. And this one here turns up pretty.
I think it's time now that I get to try my hand at it.
Okay, Danielle, when we try the MIG welding, our solid wire MIG gun, we usually try to keep our bead nice and consistent as we can. We try to keep it high-low, same as it would be on this edge and the bottom edge. And we just basically go in. You can go little circles, you can go backwards C's or a figure of 8, or straight along. The station that we're at right now is our bend test machine. This is what passes their CWB test. So they can weld out their CWB plates when we get them prepared, when we get them inspected to come in and do a bend test right here. And if it doesn't break, it's a pass.
Well, that was a lot of fun. I really enjoyed that. So when can people join the welding program here at Academy Canada?
We can go through admissions here. Our next course will be September coming. That's going to be the next intake that we'll use here. And when funding is available through student loans, through government funding, there's funding options out there for us to use. And basically what we need for here is your high school diploma or equivalent. Get in.
And of course, you can check out all the details online as well.
Yes, online. Everything is on our webpage, and you can have a look there, and you can go to our admissions team as well, and they'll give you all the information you need to know.
Thank you so much, Terry. It's been great.
It was awesome. Thanks for having me.
The welding program here at Academy Canada is made right here.
First Edition, across the province. Brought to you by